Today I have the Allure Beauty Box spoilers for the month of June 2025. Yeah, 5. Anyway, sorry that it's a bit late. I was waiting for the official spoilers to be posted on the website, and we're here a couple days after they should have been posted, and they still aren't there. So I'm going to just show you what I was able to find. My source is, maybe take it with a grain of salt, it's Reddit, so this is Allure Beauty Box, so it is a monthly box. I have an annual subscription, so my cost is about $19 per box, and I have skipped this month in case you're curious. But yes, let me keep going through this. So they have some specials right now, so just note that if you subscribe before the calendar turns June, you will also be getting the May box. I did get the May box, so I have the unboxing spoilers already on the channel, but if you subscribe right now as I'm posting this, you will get the May box. So if you only want the June box, make sure you wait until June 1st to make your purchase. But it looks like right now they're giving away the Fenty blush as it says free Fenty perfume, but the pictures here the blush because that was the choice item. Sorry about that. But they will also be putting the perfume in the box as the free member gift for making a new subscription. It also looks like they have a bundle here for the annual subscription. But let me just get started. So again, it hasn't been posted on their website yet, so I did have to use outside sources. So this is from Reddit, but it seems like this might be accurate. So I did, when I did my unboxing, tell you about the Buxom spoiler. So this was going to be one of those items that you could customize this month. There are 4 different shades. Unfortunately, I don't remember what the shades are called, and I did skip. So I'm going to just pull up the information. What I like to do is pull up the information from a third-party website and kind of give you any reviews and things all in one place. So let me just get started. So I'll start with the Buxom. I do remember one of them being called like, I think it was this one, the Dangerous Dolly. Which I believe is the mauve, and then I think there was also I can't remember. Smooth Spice was definitely one because that was the one I ended up having to choose because the Dangerous Dolly was sold out when I made my selection. But there were 4 options for you. It looks like this is going to be a full-size item, $22. 4.3 stars with 770 reviews on Ulta. So let me scroll down. And then this is what the shades look like. So just like take a screenshot of this when you make your selection to figure out what it looks like on the different skin tones. So it's a pigment-packed lip liner that provides ultra-precise results with a chiseled tip that never requires sharpening. The creamy no-tug formula delivers comfortable waterproof color that lasts for 8 hours to create fuller-looking lips that will not feather or bleed. And then this is the info here. And it has specialized peptides, vitamin E, sunflower seed oil, and avocado oil. And the information here is how to use. And let me scroll down some more. And then this is, again, the information. So it's supposed to be for super plump lips, but I don't think it's like a tingly plumping item. I think it's just because of the peptides and things. But definitely let me know. It has a brush tip and a chisel tip. And these are the shades. Again, we scroll down. And again, you're going to have to do your own research about the shades just because Allure hasn't put it up on their website yet. But 4.3 stars with 770 reviews, and this is the breakdown. So kind of like more 1 stars than you would think in terms of surveys. But this one says very pretty. They got it from Buzz Agent. They said the one side has a blending brush, sponge to help blend and fill, which really like. Color seems to last for several hours before needing to be reapplied. Since it's waterproof, there was no transferring. Okay. And then this person says no plump but wonderful color. Yeah, so I think the thing is people, when they read plumping, they think it's going to be one of those tingly ones, but I think, again, it's supposed to just, like, moisturize. And this person said it's super cute, not too dark, not too light, and that's the Dangerous Dolly color. But let me go on to the next item. So this next item here is going to be Maria Nila, and it's a Swedish hair care brand. So there's a head and hair heal conditioner and the heal shampoo. And I couldn't find the products separately, so I just from Nordstrom have the set. And obviously that is not going to be a full size. These are maybe like, it looks like maybe, I think it says 3 ounce. Yeah, 3.45 ounces. So they're like little sample sizes. We have gotten one of the argan oils from this brand in the box prior, and it's been a little small sample, but $84 for the full size. But let me scroll down to the reviews. And this one says it is 16.9 ounce for both, so divided by whatever that is. But let's see here. Balance your hair and scalp for a healthy look and feel. Formula features flowery scent of jasmine and linden blossom. Color Guard Complex preserves color by protecting hair from UV radiation and free radicals. To me, that's BS. Here is the aloe vera vitamin E pyroxetone olamine, apigenin and oleanolic acid and peptides. And scroll down here. This person says luxurious, has a good lather, it makes my hair feel nice and clean without being harsh on my scalp or drying my hair. And then the most helpful critical review says, too heavy for fine hair. Not a product for you if you have fine hair. Unfortunately, my hair didn't feel after washing with the shampoo, and it sucks because I really love this brand. Also, they do not have a satisfaction guarantee, so if you buy the item and don't like it, you have to keep it. I think that's pretty common. But anyway, so that's the info. There's not that many reviews, honestly, so you'll have to do a little bit more research. The next item here is from Truly, which is, I think they make like butt butters, but this one is a body oil, and it's the Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil. And let me pull it up, but let me just read this here. Bakuchiol, vitamin B3, vanilla, niacinamide, and antioxidant boost. And it's vegan and clean, etc. So I did pull it up from Amazon. It looks like it's $38. And this is a hydrating and illuminating with natural shimmer for smooth, glowing skin and long-lasting fragrance. So it's a buildable body shimmer oil that restores firm, satin soft skin. And it has bakuchiol and niacinamide. And it has vanilla, pear, and caramel notes. And that's some more info about it. And then let me scroll down some more. So that's what it looks like apparently. I don't know, it looks extremely shimmery, but I can't tell if that's just like editing or something, but it looks really shimmery on that leg. But again, it has vanilla, pear, amber, pistachio, and caramel scents. And this is the shimmer oils and the 3 different skin tones they have here. So it's supposed to be a silver pearlescent shimmer. Scrolling down. And this is the breakdown. It's pretty dire, actually. So 5 stars, only a 66%, and then 1 star is 20%. But I'm just not sure if people just like, oh, this is in Spanish, I'm sorry. But yeah, so it seems like some people just had problems with the Amazon purchase, but I don't know. I've heard mixed reviews about this brand, honestly. So if you've used this brand, let us know what you think about it. And again, this is a body oil. The next product is going to be this one here, which is from Luna Nectar. I've never heard of this brand, but it's Neptune Hydrate and Blur Serum. And it has, I can't read that. It's 1 ounce. I did pull it up from Beauty Bridge. I couldn't find it on any other website other than Beauty Bridge and the actual Luna Nectar website. And it doesn't have that many reviews. So I've never heard of this, so let me know below what you think about it. There's the Neptune Blur and Hydrate Serum, $34 value. First ever ocean blue hyaluronic acid serum, designed to be simple but elegant, infused with minimal antioxidant-rich ingredients, yet potent enough to let the hyaluronic acid do its work. When applied to either bare skin or under makeup, the serum provides a matte blurred look. And so again, it has hyaluronic acid and then antioxidants, helichrysum. I've never heard of that. Green tea and butterfly pea flowers. So that's the thing that you put in tea that looks blue when you have it initially, and then when you put some acid in it, it turns it into purple. It's like in bubble tea. It's kind of like a shtick. But anyway, Neptune simultaneously works to reduce inflammation and radicals. It uses a high-weight hyaluronic acid above 80,000 Daltons. According to studies, low-weight hyaluronic acid is to be avoided due to cause of inflammation of small molecules. We use 1% hyaluronic acid as any higher ratios may cause dryness of skin. So I guess like just make sure you always have something moist underneath the hyaluronic acid. but that's typically how you just use hyaluronic acid generally. But anyway, let me give some more info here. So this is the ingredients list. And I'm trying to pull up the reviews, but it looks like the reviews are here. Can't read them. 5-star reviews. Again, I couldn't find that much information about this brand or this product, so if you've tried it, let us know below. And the final item on here is an SPF. It's from Naked Sundays. It's the Collagen Glow 100% Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50+. And let me pull it up. I have it from Amazon. So it has plant-based collagen and antioxidants, vegan-friendly, reef-safe, perfecting priming lotion. So it's a 4-in-1 formula, primes, hydrates, protects skin, blends in flawlessly glowy finish, and vegan collagen, iron oxide, watermelon extract, and zinc oxide. This is the info. Full size is $25. Let me see if I can see how big that packaging is. Honestly, I cannot see how big the packaging is. So my guess is it's probably the 1.69 fluid ounce / 50 mLs, but I'm not sure if I'm being honest. And it's unscented. It says this 100% mineral SPF 50+ sunscreen doubles as hydrating primer, delivering broad spectrum protection with 22.75% non-nano zinc oxide infused with vegan collagen, boosts skin elasticity, smooths fine lines, and leaves a sheer, radiant glow with no white cast. More info. Non-comedogenic, reef-safe, cruelty-free, suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. This is a thick formula due to primer benefits and high amount of SPF in the form of zinc oxide. We suggest using our SPF BFF brush to ensure flawless finish. May not work on all skin tones. So basically it sounds like, even though they say it's not a white cast, maybe it has a little bit of a white cast. But that's just maybe me being skeptical. But also they're not going to give you a brush with this product in the box because there's no brush pictured. It's just the sunscreen. But since they say that it's going to be like a thick formula, I think it's going to be very thick compared to most sunscreens. But that's just my general sense of what the description says. But let's see if there's any more info. Yeah, there's no more info here. And it says mineral SPF unlike you've ever tried before. 100% mineral filters. 0 white cast. Made for beauty lovers. Boosts your glow. And let me scroll down. And this is the breakdown. 4.1 stars out of 5. And the breakdown is like pretty decent. And it says here, according to the Amazon AI, customers appreciate the sunscreen's light tint that provides a nice subtle glow and its effectiveness as a mineral sunscreen that blends perfectly with skin. Product receives positive feedback for its moisturizing properties and natural day look, with one customer noting it works well as a primer. Opinions are mixed regarding thickness, with some loving the texture while others find it too thick, and skin type compatibility, with some finding it nice for sensitive skin while others report it's too oily. Customers disagree on whether the product feels dry or moisturized, and while some customers report no noticeable smell, others find it unpleasant. So, I don't know. To me, I don't know necessarily if this would be my type of sunscreen, which is why I skipped. Anyway, this person does have here perioral dermatitis. I do like this sunscreen. It's pretty thick, but I have perioral dermatitis, and I found for me it's okay to wear occasionally, but the thickness did trigger my PD and can't be my everyday sunscreen. Blended well into my skin, felt moisturizing and left a pretty dewy glow. Definitely worked best for me when I used as a makeup primer, otherwise it did remain sticky for a while without makeup. Very thick, very moisturizing, perfect for winter dry skin. Anyway, some people say it is their holy grail. This person says very drying product, acne causing. Anyway, that's the info for you. Unfortunately, again, sorry, couldn't find the official thing, but they didn't put it up on their website. I did skip just because none of these really wowed me, and I've never heard of this Neptune product, and I wouldn't use the Truly product, so I also wouldn't use this sunscreen because I personally really like a chemical sunscreen because I don't like yeah, anyway. That is everything. Thanks for watching. Follow me over on Instagram at EatStretchExplore, and I'll talk to you again soon. Let me know what you think about this box, and I'll be back with any more updates as they come out. Thanks. Bye.